Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a cheap glue holder out of card for some liquid cement I got the other day. As some of you may notice, I haven't put out a video for quite some time, and this one is to get the mojo going again. I started out by selecting a bit of card from my stash of mount card offcuts and decided to create a base for it that would keep it from rocking around. I measured out the parts for the sides and the top, and then I cut them out using scalpel. Then I did a dry run to see where I wanted it to sit for the sides, so I could get a bit of a gap to make sure that the bottle didn't get caught, and then I marked out the top, from which I've then cut the hole from. Then it was just a very simple glue up using the trusty rocket glue. And finally a test of whether the bottle fitted in okay or not, and yes, it was fine. This is exactly what I wanted. Ultimately I'd like to probably try and build this out of a lump of wood, but for the moment this is just going to get me started and to get me back to making the videos again. Hopefully you got something from this video and can see that you don't need expensive materials to make useful tools. And in the next video I'll be completing the yard office. If you've enjoyed this and would like to see more of my videos, click on one of the videos on screen now, and look forward to seeing you in the next one.